column. When do I get vertical alignment? Hello.
Hello, sorry, say it again.
Yeah.
So I get that.
When do we get a vertical alignment? Because
Okay,
I'm not understanding how it is coming at bottom now. I want it to be at the bottom, but I'm not understanding how.
okay. This last input with the icon or the may I know your name?
Actually, both. I want everything to be stacked from bottom up. Okay, so what I was assuming is I'll make this column and then vertical alignment. I'll make this as bottom, and from there it starts like this. Uh, right now I'm able to get what I want, but I'm not understanding how is this working.
Okay, basically Bubble is adding them stacked one below the other, and you can use the. Sorry.
Okay, I have given a 500 this thing top, and that's why maybe it's working. If I
Yeah,
remove this,
and
this will not work. Yeah.
yeah. So they begin from the top, if it is layout type column, and yeah, you can add margins from where, yeah, to the top of the parent group that contains it, right, or below it. Mhm. You
I
can
can't
you can
stack
have.
it from bottom up, right?
Mhm.
I can't do that, right? Or I can.
uh no, I think that that this is from the top. I don't think that you can align them
Okay.
from the bottom. Yeah.
Okay. Then I think this is the way, because I've given
Hmm.
500 top for this. Okay. And I've made this as fixed. So what happens is when I keep adding more and more, this keeps expanding on the top. That's
Yep.
why I'm able to get.
But and you will you I mean, if you this is because it is not contained by another group. So if you have another, if you later group these, maybe it will
Mm-hmm.
have 500 pixels from the
Ah,
group that contains it, right? So just to keep that in
okay.
mind.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, because it is based on the parent.
Got it.
Yeah. So maybe I will suggest you to have like
Mm-hmm.
a complete group for the
Mm-hmm.
for the data and questions that are
Mm-hmm.
being displayed, and another
Mm-hmm.
group only for the responses. That I think it is fine. It's your group sent, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Group
this is
sent,
group send, right?
and the group B is may I know your name, right?
Group B is all the questions and the responses that they give. So the first one I've written question which is right aligned.
Okay.
The second one
Okay.
is answer which is left aligned, and this is a custom state. So basically, what I'm doing is chatbot is the page name, chatbot's name, and in the condition I've given chatbot's name is not empty, then display this, and
Okay.
otherwise
Okay.
collapse.
Okay. And where are being stored the questions and answers,
The answer is
or
right
that
now
will
being
not be
stored in
discarded?
it's being stored as a custom state as of now. Once they answer a few questions, then we are planning to send it to database.
Sorry, and can you repeat the last part? And when you.
Yeah, once they answer a few questions, then we are planning to send it to database. So, for example, now I have done it this way, where if the answer, okay, sometimes this happens, and I have to,
Okay,
yeah,
and this chatbot begins for non-logged in users, right? So the
yeah,
purpose is
yeah,
to.
right.
Okay. Okay, because in Babel you can
Hmm.
use the current user even if they are not
Yeah.
logged in. So this can work also for you, because if the user refresh the page, the state will
Hmm.
be cleared, right? So maybe you can play
Right.
around with the current users. Um, I mean, doing current saving in the with the current user, or playing with the current user.
Ah,
Um,
if we use it as current user, then it gets saved in the.
Yeah, I think cookies maybe.
Okay.
Maybe,
that's interesting.
Yeah. Okay, but let's check the like the possibilities for your of a database for that. So okay, I will share my screen.
Sure, I'll stop.
Okay, so okay, are you viewing my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay. You are viewing the database, right? Or not? Or you are in an index page?
Sorry?
You are viewing my database? Give me a second because
Yeah. Able to see your database now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I was thinking was having an object maybe that will be bot questions. What answers? This can be also like the possible answers for each question. So for example, for a question, for a bot question, for a bot question, we can have multiple answers, right?
Yeah.
And they can be also like from different type. For example, let's say we can use an option set here. But answer type, for example, free text, for example, for names. Buttons, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm just like playing around to how to display things there. Text, buttons. I'm not sure what else. I don't know, radio. Yeah, just for now, just to check. Okay. And okay, but answers, but questions. So maybe we will want an order number to display it in that sequence, right? Because you want, for example, the first one asking for the name.
Yeah.
The question label, right? Maybe let's name it label. So what you will ask here, at what time, maybe if it is inactive, so you can make it inactive for the future. So yeah, so you can play it around from the admin portal or something to don't delete the question forever or things like that.
Right.
Answers for questions. And maybe we can have also a database object only to store those sessions. So for example, for this question, the answer of the user was this one or things like that.
Right.
And then you can use these things, save it on your database.
From users.
Yeah, so let's say this was the question.
Good questions.
And the answer that the user selected, for example, if a question have multiple choices or things like that, or if only one, or if it is our, for example, let's say here that you can select 3 options. So you store here the option that the user selected. I'm not sure. I'm playing around, trying to think.
Yeah. Understood. Yeah.
And also maybe answer free text, for example. For example, when the user typed his name, so you will store the here. Maybe the user, just in case, to store the user there.
But aren't we getting the user only if they? Isn't it like we store the user only if it's a logged in user?
Sorry, can you say it again, please?
User. When we say we are storing user, isn't it only for logged in users?
I think let's test it because there is a lot of time that I don't use this feature, but let's test it.
Okay, sure.
And let me check if nobody is in the waiting room. 1 second.
Yeah.
I can view. Sorry, I will stop this sharing the screen to just check it because I don't know why I can view it. No, there is nobody.
Cool.
Okay, so let's add an input here. Okay, let's add a text to display the current user's name.
But
the unique ID. Oh, what happened?
Yeah, sometimes this is happening. I don't know why.
Yeah, I think that this should show an empty, but the unique ID will be something.
Yeah.
Will be a random name because we are not logged in.
Right.
A random unique ID. Sorry. Okay, do you see? So we are not logged in, but do you see that that bubble recognizes the current user? And if I refresh, will be the same. Do you see?
Oh.
And if I go to, yeah, maybe, yeah, I will paste this link in the chat so you can go there. Maybe you can try it, and you will see another unique ID on your side.
Right. Okay.
This
is interesting.
Is a test from Juan, and you can click save there, just to check if it saved it.
It asks for some username and password.
Okay, give me a second. The username and password will be username. Very difficult, right?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, the user was not saved here, right?
Yeah, it's a different thing.
But, and also the created by, but I think that, but it will store this session for this user that will work for your purposes, right? Because
yes.
let's add a repeating group here. So this will work for you, for your chatbot, if the user refresh the browser.
Right.
And keep the questions there. What answers from users to questions?
That's nice. Interesting. Okay.
Where the user is current user. I'm not sure if, yeah, you see the database again. Unique ID. I will add here the current users, unique ID as a text, just to play with it. And then have okay, and then maybe I will create here a sign up button. Let's check what happens there.
Right.
Okay, so did you see this?
Yeah.
It recognized my
input already.
Search, yeah. User equals to current user, but check that in the database, user here is empty.
Yeah.
And it is not showing me the Ritesh one, right?
Yeah, Ritesh was me. I saved it.
So hi, this is a no.
And if I refresh my
Test
page,
2 by 1. Okay, I will refresh mine. And can you test in your site if you only view Ritesh ones?
Yeah, it's showing me the Ritesh ones.
So this will work better for you. I think for instead of the custom states. And the way that I will begin structuring this repeating group for the chatbot will be a mix of maybe a parent one, maybe, or yeah, something like begin showing the questions, and after saving it, it will display also a group for the next question based in the number and if it is deleted or not.
Okay.
Right? I mean, sorry, the question is not inactive, and display a group. For example, let's say this is the group that contains the question. I mean, let's say group question, and will be type, I don't know, something, right? Type free text. So for example, this will be only visible if the current cell question, let's say this was a question, and the question type is, oh, I didn't add the field here, the option set type. Only, for example, free text for your name or things like that. So I will begin showing types, yeah. And also in the answers, you can have, yeah, maybe hard-coded things, like, for example, if for the 3 types of questions that you show me that you have like 3 buttons to click. So you can add something based on option sets or questions that when the button contains, or the question number is something. When clicking this button. Yeah, I think maybe something like that.
It's a great idea.
Yeah.
It's a great thing, actually. Yeah.
It is a little bit
makes
complex,
more sense
so
because
maybe in this time we cannot.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I got the whole idea, so that's enough for us to continue.
Okay,
Basically,
perfect.
this method would give us ability to change the questions or something like that easily at a later stage.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
for sure, because you will not need to hard code everything later. You will
exactly,
have it on your
exactly.
database and you can manage it, and yeah. And you can hard and the questions, I mean, you can do things like, for example, from the database, for example, if this is a question and it is managed from the admin portal, you can add things like that.
Yeah, yeah,
So do you see? It is bold, or
yeah.
you can store, for example, this is the question, and you can type, I don't know, app name, for example,
Right.
or month, for example,
Hmm.
or current user's name or current user's company or whatever. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you can add things like that to be replaced in the text
Right,
to be
right.
dynamic, like this, find and
Hmm.
replace. So um,
Correct.
yeah. Ah, but this will be a number, right? So let's say current date time. Ah, it will be formatted as, yeah, something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
This, so you can play with all of these kind of
True,
tricks from
true.
Babel. Yeah. I'm not sure what happened here. Maybe because I added it into a group.
And group might have been disabled for
Yeah,
sure.
maybe, or yeah, or it was pulling a question. Hmm, let's check it. Yeah, was something with the
Yeah.
group. Okay, yeah, that's it's a like
Nice.
the main idea, like showing
Got it.
things based on conditions
Got it.
from
Got it.
your database.
Awesome.
Okay, yeah. And you, Ben, do you have any questions for today? You were checking.
No,
You was checking
no, keep
one,
going.
or Harcha. Sorry, Ben.
No, I'm all good. I'm good.
Ah, okay, you are good. Okay, Harsha, do you have any question for today?
No.
No, no,
No.
no.
Harsha is
Or
from our team.
sorry?
Me and Harsha are from the same team.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. So, give me a second. Okay. So, yeah. Do you have any other questions, Ritesh? Maybe,
Mm,
or let's continue with this chatbot to continue playing around, or
no more questions.
no more questions.
Yeah.
Let's play with this sign up button to check what happens if the user sign up with
Mm-hmm.
the fields in the database, if they become related to the user. Oh, do you see?
Yeah. Hmm.
It related it.
Interesting.
without doing anything here, like make change to a list of things or whatever.
Okay.
So that will be great for you, for your use
Yes.
case, because you will save a lot of time there with this approach.
Exactly. This is nice. Really nice.
Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure what to explain you. Tell me. You may need something else.
I mean, for the chatbot itself, if is that the right approach by adding 500 on the top, or do we have a better solution there? Because basically, once it reaches the top, for example, let's say whatever area I've left, it can hold only 10 questions. Okay, and if we have more, then it should be a scroll, just like in a chat window, right?
Okay, give me a second. Testing your responsive. Maybe I'm not so pro with this. This is new, so we are still playing with this. But
Yeah, no worries.
I think that maybe I will go for a percentage instead of a fixed margin. Let me check if we can do that.
Should not it be fixed instead of percentage?
You have the group type column, if I'm not wrong.
I have made it row.
The group?
Yes. Or I think it's working for both, because I've expanded the width of element almost equal to the width of the group. So it goes one below the other.
Okay. Yeah, but let's play 1 second with the margin.
Sure.
Okay, so basically you added here 500 pixels, right? To make it big here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but
yeah.
the margins don't allow it to use this percentage here. No, I think it will be okay, or I will use something like this, maybe. No, let me think. Because
we can probably add a
I was
group
thinking
on top of that.
Yeah.
And play with the percentage of that group based on the stage that we are in. Like it will expand 90% of the parent group. If it's the first question being asked, it will become 80% if it's the second question being asked, something like that. But we'll have to put a lot of conditions.
Yes. No, I think it will be nice for now with this margin. I was thinking maybe for screens, like when you are on a small screen, let's say the iPhone 5, if it will.
Just 1 minute, I'll be back.
Sorry?
1 minute, I'll be back.
Okay.
I'm back. I hope they'll come up with vertical alignment as well soon.
Okay. Yeah, I think it will work because this, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe this is the less that it can be. So maybe 400 to be sure.
Yeah, yeah.
With these small screens.
Right.
But the other thing that maybe can work is a floating group, maybe. To the bottom of the page. I mean, a group that contains the sent group, but using a floating group that can be in the bottom of the page.
Okay, but the yeah, okay, yeah. But floating group is not a part of the other group, right?
No,
It will
will
be
be a
separate.
separate. Yeah,
Yeah,
where is it? Floating group here. Let's make it from another color.
because we are going to use this as a reusable element on another page.
Okay, yeah, you can create the group as a non. I mean, you can go and create a reusable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's fine.
And then you add it. Oh, sorry, inside a reusable, right?
Right.
So
Right.
let's say this text is your reusable element, not a text. It's a reusable element. So we will go to the floating. Where is the floating group? I deleted it, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, I will add the floating group here. I will make it from another color so we can differentiate it.
Right.
Let's say it will be blue. And I will send it to the bottom, right? And I will say this will be only 100 pixels, maybe 100. And here will be my question. Let's say an input here. Yeah, just to play around with it.
Right. Right.
So it will stay always in the bottom. Oh,
We can change it to make it column and then probably make a fixed height to content. Where did it go? Yeah. Height should not be fixed. We have to make it fit to content, maybe.
where I get lost. Fit to content, where is it? Where is it?
And now we are on the text field. Why is it not being shown yet?
Give me a second. I will under the changes. 1 second. Okay, this is. Let's make it align to parent. A max height. Okay, and this will be. I will make it centered.
You have given 250. What is the width of the group that we have?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know why. Okay, yeah, it should be from here. And let's. Move. Oh. Okay, but that's
I think you have given it as 250, but the width of it is not enough for it to hold. What is the width of the group?
Yeah. Yeah, this is 100 and no, this is 400, but this is 320. Yeah, was this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, and the text is here. The text is inside the group.
You are in the input field, yeah. Text. Where is the text?
Yeah.
Can you add some text there, or have you already added?
Yeah.
Yeah, question here. Can you maybe click on hide and then unhide on the text element on the left side, elements tree. We can see the question. Yeah, hide it and unhide it. Not shown still. Strange. Okay.
Huh.
No worries. Anyways, we'll have to leave in like 2 minutes.
Okay, but this
I
is the
think we got
approach.
the idea.
Because do you see that as this is the bottom, as a floating group, it will work for an iPhone. If I make this screen bigger, okay, but you got the idea that it will be here. Oh, this is funny. Okay,
yeah, we might have to play with some percentages and stuff like that. But I got the idea, and this is actually better than what we planned.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Do you have any other questions, maybe, Ritesh, or Ben,
no.
or Harsha?
Yeah, I mean, if Ritesh is done, I could. I've got like a couple of. It'll be super quick ones.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Thank you so much. I'll have to leave now. Sorry.
Okay. Have a great day.
Thank you for the support.
Oh, I know what happened. Do you remember the initial margin from the test? Yeah. Okay, the 500 pixels. Okay, I'm glad we found it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Ben. Which question do you have?
Ready for some super quick, frustrating ones?
Sure, for sure.
Okay. So, can you see my screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's just get rid of those tabs, eh? All right. So what I'm trying to do is on here, make this repeating group center align. And same with this repeating group center align, but I just can't seem to get it to want to do it.
Okay, got it. And this is new responsive engine, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's play with it. Okay. Maybe I will request control. Okay, a second. I'll request your computer control from here. Request remote control. Okay. Okay, now I'm able to click it. Yeah. Okay. So here it looks properly, right? But not when you preview it, right?
We'll see how when you preview, it's all left aligned. The whole thing's left aligned. I just want it like completely center aligned.
Okay. Because maybe it is not growing with the rest of. Can you show me the element here, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Here are you. I think the issue is that it is centered, but it is fixed. So it cannot grow with the page. Let's check. Let me check this. And then we will check how the margins of this black group here above it.
Yeah, I'll just...
It looks super pro, this page. No.
I keep second guessing myself and going, no, I need to redesign the whole thing.
Yeah. But it looks really pro, believe me. Oh, wait, this button don't work. Hide responsive boxes. You are viewing on your side the responsive boxes, like red lines or no? When I click this, no?
I can't see it now, no.
Okay. Okay, here. Okay, you see that the repeating group is being expanded, but the issue is that you don't have enough icons.
Yeah.
To match these. So we'll make it this, fix it again, and we'll check again this. But I want to view this behavior here. Can you go again there, please? And I will inspect it. And let's inspect this. Okay.
So yeah, essentially I want those, if there's only 2 icons, I want them sitting in the middle. If there's 4, I want them expanded out from the middle, if that makes sense.
Yeah, and this, give me a second. This is not a reusable element, no?
No.
This is type column. And this is okay. This is like the group that contains.
It's because I've got an action on it to open in a new tab. So there's another, and plus the background style.
Okay, this is like the cell, right? Current cell, perfect. So maybe in this one, the layout will be row. And I think will be this one.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And you already tried this one and this doesn't work?
I thought I did, but look, it's often that I think I've done something and then it just works for someone else.
No, God.
Frustrating, right? It's just a tiny thing, and I know it's little, but it's just going to eat me up if I can't get it to center align.
Yeah. Sorry. Let me check something because Group social media profiles. You're on a Mac, right?
Yep.
I just want to be sure that this is the same repeating group. You have 3, right? But it can depend on each one, I think.
It just feels like this should be a super simple thing, and I just can't get it to work.
Yeah. Container alignment centered.
Yeah.
Self container layout row. Fix it. Collapse. Mean height of row. Column 7. Separator. Horizontal. Mean height. Let's make this bigger to check what happens. Okay, it remains the same. Maybe this. I will just play here just to check something here.
Yeah, go.
It's stuck. There is a 5. I'm not sure. Here it's showing me a 0. Okay, now.
I didn't know if it should be like collapse when hidden or something like that, or.
Yeah, okay. Let me check this. Let's check the last change about the repeating group itself and not the group here to check what is happening. Maybe can you go there, please?
Annoying,
Yeah,
right?
Yes.
I mean, is that the parent group left aligned? That, maybe it's that. Oh no.
Parent container type is column. That is the one that contains this one, but the cells container is row and is this.
Is this though? Should this be centered?
Okay, maybe yes. Yeah, let's make it centered.
Yep.
No.
It's not a fixed number of cells in there, is it? That's the only other thing I can kind of think of.
No.
Wouldn't be that. Oh,
Maybe I will try to check this to check what happens, but if maybe this becomes bigger and fill the empty space, but I don't think so. Also, why you don't get here like a refresh banner and a black banner here? Are you working in another version?
no.
Development. Oh yeah, you just updated this page. Okay. Nope.
What about? I think it's that.
Okay. But, and how much do you have?
How many what? Sorry.
How many items? The maximum?
Oh, there could be 20 or 30.
Yeah. Okay. So can you uncheck that? But this is the columns. Oh yeah, 7. Yeah. And the mean width will be with how much? 20 maybe?
It can be 0, can't it?
Oh, not sure if it will look weird. Oh, but if you don't have one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is showing. Yeah, this is so weird.
See, I want to, yeah. Like, how can you do? It should do maximum as well, shouldn't it? I mean, it just seems weird to say column width there's no maximum for it.
Yeah. Maybe with 6 instead of 7, and it will have space around to do the trick. Maybe. I'm
But
not
see, then
sure.
when one of them has 1, it'll push it left as well because it'll be looking for the other 5.
Yes.
Oh, that looks right.
Yeah. Can you deactivate and make it for 1, please? I mean, or 1. I mean, deactivate TikTok or. So we will
I can
have.
just go to I can just go to a different profile. Oh, that one just got me.
And so that have a different number.
Yeah. Come on, it's got to be. Nope. That looks like the only one that has 1.
But you can go to this one and in the database, I don't know, deactivate a couple of them.
Yeah. Okay. So just delete them, or?
Maybe you can change the brand, so it will be assigned to another one, and you can later again change the brand to don't lose your information. It is the search is based on this social brand profile.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So let's deactivate one and go to your bubble app to the other tab and check how it works.
No, just pushes them
No.
back.
Oh, okay. I think I have, and you want it centered, right?
Yes.
Yeah. God. This is being tricky. Oh, where is it?
Oh, I'll grab it for you if you want. There you go.
Something is pushing them to the left.
Yeah, and I think it's the set number of columns, because it's still
Yeah.
looking at that 6 one, even though it's leaving blank. Can you show partial? Is that a thing?
Sorry?
You know, in a repeating group, how you can show partial results, or?
No, I don't think so. Like items until something?
No, I was sure there was a show partial results checkbox somewhere in a repeating group, but maybe I'm wrong.
I'm trying to select the number one, but I can't. Okay. And this should show only one and center it, right?
Theoretically, yes.
Yeah, let's check what is happening there. Okay, at least it is showing them centered.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this will work.
Okay.
I hope it. I hope it. I don't know why, but I think this will work. And maybe we can add some space. Just for now, let's check if this works. Was the scrolling direction? Even worse.
Juan, do you remember at the start of this call when I said this would be a quick one? I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
no worries. Oh, but and here we don't have issues related to overlapping, right? Because this is the new responsive engine.
That's right.
Right.
Maybe that could be that.
You need to do again the. I'm trying to click in the repeating group. Okay, here's the repeating group. How much is the height for this one?
40 probably. Probably a little big, but yeah.
One, two, three, four, five.
Should I make a video and put it in the Slack channel?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
This will need superpowers. Yeah.
It is weird though, right? Like that should be too quick of a button and it should center it. I don't understand why it's so hard.
Yeah. Crossed fingers. No.
So frustrating. That's all right. I'll make a video for
it. Yeah, and tell there that we tried all of these options.
Yeah, no worries. I'll do it now.
Okay, Ben.
Thanks,
Nice to see you. Okay. Bye.